If you just found out TriVial BioWorks and you're trying to figure out if we're worth your time, give me 60 seconds or so, because what separates us from every other vendor in this space isn't something we just say. It's something we can prove. The research paper space has a trust problem, and most vendors are operating on vibes and hope. No independent verification, no supply chain, no transparency, no way for a researcher to actually confirm what's the product they just ordered. And that researchers who've been doing this long enough, they've been burned by that more than once. This is exactly what TriVial exists. If you know a researcher who's been trying to find a vendor that they can actually trust in this space, share this video, because this conversation is the one that should have been happening from the very beginning. Now, here's what we actually do differently. Independent third-party testing on everything. Every single compound we carry is tested by an independent third-party, laboratory. Not house, not self-reported, dependent. And we test across 6 categories: purity, identity, molecular weight, endotoxins, heavy metals, and conformity. And every one of these results in a documented on a certificate of analysis, or a COA, with a QR code that links directly to the live lab results. You don't have to take our word for it. You can verify it with yourself in 30 seconds straight from your phone. We are also in the process of adding fentanyl screening because contamination reports across the broader compound space have increased. We believe that standard needs to exist here too. And we are fully domestic. That means faster fulfillment, cleaner supply chain documentation, and accountability that offshore vendors simply cannot offer. TriVial just isn't a vendor though. It's a research community. Our Discord is active, moderated, and full of researchers who have been with us long enough to speak what we actually deliver. And if we don't curate those conversations, we show up in it, guys. Independent reviews. You can read right now. We're listed on both Varionics at varionics.io and vialtalk.com. 2 of those most trusted independent review platforms in the research community. And every review there was submitted independently. We didn't write them. We didn't filter them. You can go right there and read it right now before you even place a single order. And that's a standard we hold ourselves to. Not because we have to, but because we want to, because researchers deserve it. And what's the #1 thing you look for when you're evaluating a new research vendor for yourself? Drop it in the comments, because we definitely want to know so we can make ourselves better. Now, follow us so you don't miss on what we're building. Save this and send it to anyone asking where you got your source from. And you go read the reviews yourself. The links are in the bio.